this is part 2 because I ran out of time. But at least I didn't go over. Okay, so this stuff, we don't want it to burn. So let's just put in our little, we'll mix up these, whatever it is. Drop some in here. I probably put too much garlic in there.
Given her terrible problems over the last few years, and she has very little physical.
They didn't hear that. Okay. Now if you have a round one of these, it's better than if you have a square one, you see. I want this garlic stuff to burn. Now, as it cooks, you see, you got your cheese in here, which is melting. I'd like to come closer. Closer, my darling, closer. Oops, come around on there. Okay. See how the baking powder is making it bubble up a bit. It's best if it doesn't burn to the bottom, after all. People are actually going to eat these. Burn to the bottom does not pass. That should not be so white. It should be browner. Nope. Melting cheese. Now these onions are not going to cook all the way through. We don't want this to burn too badly, so let's add a little more oil. Olive oil doesn't smell so good, you know? I really like the way it smells. Okay, now when you think these are done in the middle, you see like that's still gooey white, that means it's not done. I'll turn the burner down a little bit so we don't burn it all. I'm good at burning things. Oops. Okay, so when you think those are about cooked in the middle, which I guess you could test by sticking a fork in, it's not done in the middle, it's definitely going to come out all gooey. So you get a fork in the middle. Yeah, those are okay. Okay, so now what we do is we take some salsa and we pour some salsa on them. Or you could just use tomato sauce if you wish. My pan is too hot. You probably Pyrex quickly now, don't you? Yeah, probably. Well, there we go. What do you think? It looks good to me. Pizza for breakfast. There you go. You can put it in containers and stick it in their lunch. Of course, now we have stuff all over it, and so when we go to cook the next part, we wrecked our pan. We have indeed, but nothing a little oil can't fix. And we'll start again. So we'll put in some more of this stuff. So you can mash these around and make actual little biscuits if you wish. Do a nice proper job like your mother would have taught you. This is not going to have as much garlic as the first bunch because I'm not putting more garlic in there again. If it's spitting, it's too hot. That's the rule. You know the rules. Big mess. You could melt some cheese on top of that if you want. This is not a good enough spatula. I need metal. Metal. This is the perfect spatula. I have no idea where you get them. I got it from my great aunt. Now, the thinner these are, the faster they'll cook. If you have the burner too hot, you'll burn the outside before the middle cooks. I'm good at that. And I'd leave it there until it gets nice and crispy. You see it starts to puff up because of the baking powder in it. You see, one of these handy dandy things here is good for putting in your pan pizzas for lunch. And this was almost free to cook. Okay, into the lunch pack. Now you know everything there is to know about that. And you can experiment. You can add celery or probably not lettuce. Potatoes. Mozzarella cheese. You could put mozzarella cheese on top when you're in the pan. You know, you could use tomato sauce instead of salsa. Put any kinds of spices in you want. Whatever spices you like. Okay, that's it. Nancy today saying you can do this at home. You saw it here last. Bye.